LV Delightful Monogram. Very vibrant pa yung kanyang monogram canvas. Harap, then yung likod, ayan, malinis na malinis ang kanyang monogram canvas. Then yung ilalim, of course, maganda pa yan. Ayan, kasi yung mga corners niya, walang labas piping, though merong signs of use. Ayan, pero intact naman ang kanyang piping. Ayan. Even the sides, it's very nice. Oh, and here. Yung kanyang leather parts lang medyo dark na. Yan. Yung strap, very nice. And yung kanyang lips, may mga cracks lang. Ayan. Pero very minimal lang naman. Meron din doon. Meron yun. Yun lang yung flaws nito. Pwede nyo papalitan yung lips if gusto nyo. Pero this is selling super low. Yung loob, malinis. Comes with entropy na rin. Selling very low. Okay, for this delightful, another hobo bag, Louis Vuitton. This is only 20,000 pesos. Yan, ang ganda pa nito.
Mura na ano?
Yes, with entropy pa. Yan.